Have you ever wondered how fast you can register your startup in India? What if I told you that one of our clients went from idea to incorporation in just 5 working days? In this video, I'll walk you through a real case study where CA Nexus Nashik helped a startup complete its company registration from scratch in record time. Stick around till the end to learn how you can do the same. Meet Aryan, a 28-year-old software engineer from Pune with a B2B SaaS product idea. He wanted to set up a private limited company, open a current account, and start pitching to investors, all in just 1 week. Aryan reached out to CA Nexus Nashik and told us, "I don't know anything about registration, but I need it done fast and clean." Aryan had 3 major challenges. No co-founder, so we suggested registering as a one-person company. He didn't have clarity on what documents were required. He had a funding meeting in just 6 days and needed a certificate of incorporation by then. Here's exactly how CA Nexus Nashik helped Aryan get registered in 5 working days. Day 1. We held a consultation call, decided on OPC structure, and checked name availability. Day 2. Aryan submitted PAN, Aadhaar, a passport-size photo, and address proof. We applied for the digital signature certificate. Day 3. We filed the SPICE plus Part A form to reserve the company name. It got approved the same day. Day 4. We prepared and uploaded all incorporation documents, including MOA, AOA, and Agile Pro form for PAN, TAN, and GST. Aryan digitally signed everything before the deadline. Day 5. Aryan received the Certificate of Incorporation, PAN, TAN, and GSTIN by email. We also connected him with a bank to open a current account immediately. Within 5 working days, Aryan had a legally registered OPC GSTIN, PAN, and TAN, a ready-to-use business bank account, and was fully prepared to pitch to investors, all without any hassle. What you can learn from Aryan's story: keep your documents ready in advance. Choose the right business structure early. Work with an expert team like CA Nexus Nashik. You don't need to do it all alone. Just ask the right people. Are you planning to register your startup? Let us make it fast, simple, and stress-free, just like we did for Aryan. Start planning today. Choose CA Nexus. Call us +91 98 60 40 00651. Visit www.zensta.in/connexus/email, info@connexusnashik.com, Instagram @ca.nexus.nashik. We help entrepreneurs across India register PVT, LTD, LLP, OPC, or partnership firms with full compliance support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to comment with your startup idea, subscribe to CA Nexus Nashik for more startup guides and financial tips. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your entrepreneurship.